Hi, I'm Ed Rosado. I'm an infrastructure project manager, and I will be demonstrating the installation of a bone wall kit. Our first step is to grind the wall to surface prep. So now what I'll do is I'll just wipe it down just so we can get most of the dirt and the dust off, so we can be able to test, so we can be able to prime as well. Come over with the dry one. Just make sure we remove all the dust off. I'll measure 8 inches just so we have sufficient coverage on the outsides of our repair, because it is a 6-inch sheet. And then now we can just tape a nice straight line all the way going down. We're putting the tape up so we can have clean lines and the repair looks nice and straight. Now we're going to start mixing our primer, which is our 200, part A and part B. This is your part A. And this is your part B. We'll open the containers, we'll pour B into A, and then we will mix for 3 minutes. Now we can prime. So this is the bag that the kit comes with. Once you remove all of your containers and your kits out of the bag, just use this bag as a garbage bag so you can keep your area nice and clean. So 6 feet, 7.5 inches, we will need to cut our sheet. So you want to be nice and gentle when cutting. Keep this to the side and we can start mixing our saturant to get ready to apply the piece of fiber. So now that we have mixed the saturant for 3 minutes, I like to throw a little skim coat of saturant on the table with the plastic, just so when we start to wet out the fiber, it doesn't want to slide on us to go in different directions, and it has somewhere basically to get a grip to on the table. So we'll just drop a little bit down. We can even do it with the roller if you want. Just do a nice 6-inch slab just to keep the fiber in place again. Now what we do, we'll take our sheet, we'll place it at close to the edge just so we have enough gap so we can, wet out the edge. And then we'll just roll it out on top of the line that we created. So get our saturant, throw some on the sheet. So then you just grab your spatula, just make sure you wet out every single edge. Make sure you have enough. If you need some more, you just grab your bucket or your container. Just keep wetting out, make sure it's nice and glossy. Then we just do the same thing to the other side. Correct. Now that the sheet is wetted out, now we can start rolling it up in the same direction as the fiber, making sure that we line up all edges together just to make and help with the installation of the sheet. Makes it easier. So then we just roll and press down with the fiber, with the direction of the fiber. Just come back with the palm of our hands, just going down and up, making sure we have no bubbles and everything is nice and tight, adhered to the wall. And yeah, that should be it.